Well, you may not know this, but it is National Pet Dental Health Month, and we're being joined today by two incredibly good-looking people. First, Dr. Aziza Glass, who is an associate veterinarian, and Max, who has joined us today. Beautiful Max. And we're talking about keeping your furry baby's teeth clean. So I want to welcome both of you all. Thank you so much. And by the way, can I just say how beautiful Max is?
Oh, yes.
Just a gorgeous, gorgeous dog.
He appreciates that.
Oh, he's beautiful, beautiful Cocker Spaniel. But I want to start off about all of this because most people think as long as their dog's breath doesn't smell too bad, everything's okay. But you're saying that's not the case.
That is not the case at all. Sometimes bad breath can be a sign of bad dental disease, and sometimes they can have abscesses in their mouth. They can even lead to bone fractures, and the bad breath it can always be better.
So it's always a symptom. In fact, we kind of, oh my goodness. All right, there we are looking inside a pet's mouth right about now.
Yeah. So
and looking at just some of the things that could come up, I gather. This is as you're working on dogs, is that right?
Yeah, so these are some really good before and after pictures. When you have dogs that have this buildup of calculus and tartar, it's just like with us, but we brush our teeth every day and they tend to not over period of years. So it can be really bad and it can start to eat away at the gum line. So here you can see that there are some really significant calculus, and then it's so nice and pretty when they get their teeth cleaned.
All right, well, we've only got a little time, so I want to get right to it. The other symptoms to look for, if you can tick them off for me real quickly. Bad breath, we know. Sometimes if your dog doesn't want to eat very much?
Yeah, sometimes you'll see that they start to favor one side of the mouth versus the other because they're having some dental pain. And sometimes they can be very head shy. Even when you go to pet them, they kind of move their head away because they're anticipating pain.
And of course, bleeding gums is always a tip-off. Well, let's look at some of the things you can do. You brought a few things with you, and of course, we all recognize beef jerky, and Max looks very interested in that. But these are what?
These are also a different type of medicated chews that help to reverse the tartar and also treat the fresh breath, or treat for fresh breath.
And brushing your dog or cat's teeth, and I always wonder how cooperative they are when you do this.
Yes, so we also have some toothpaste that are vanilla mint, vanilla mint, or even poultry or beef flavored.
Max doesn't even seem to mind here.
Yeah, and they come in different sizes as well for your little cats and your dogs.
But you don't have to sedate your dog or your cat.
No.
What do you do to kind of persuade them that getting their teeth brushed is okay?
Well, it's a training process with anything. So you try to have positive association with it okay, you can have a little bit of this treat if you stay still enough for me to brush your teeth right then. And then usually they will kind of succumb to it. But for those that don't, we can do these other dental chews.
I see, that is the option, because somehow it seems harder to be brushing a cat's tooth.
Oh, yeah,
as far as I can tell.
But, some are kind of weird and they enjoy it.
All right, well, we want to thank you and Max so much, Dr. Aziza Glass. We appreciate it. Art?